Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing a video more on the healthy side. So basically, this is going to be a series of me becoming becoming the woman I see myself in the future. And for me to be able to become her, I have to make the necessary steps to make sure I get there. So one of those steps is becoming more fit, becoming more healthy. And why not start this series off with health? Health is wealth. So I got all these lovely fruits and vegetables. I've washed them, I've cleaned them, everything. And we're going to get ready to cut them up and blend them together. And we're going to make some good, delicious juice out of them that I'm going to be intaking in the next couple of days. And yeah, this basically going to be like a chat on why I'm doing this, how I'm doing this, and the steps that I'm taking to get there. And this is something that you would like to continue watching or want to know more of, it'll be good. So continue watching. So these fruits and vegetables, I've already washed them really good, cleaned them really good. And now we're just going to cut them up so I can prepare to blend them together. So first we're gonna start off with this watermelon, y'all. Like, let me just tell y'all, first of all, your girl, this is my first time cutting up a watermelon. But I've been seeing a lot of videos, so I think I will be able to get the hang of it. So I'm gonna get this bowl so I can be able to put the watermelon in, and I am going to go ahead and start cutting the watermelon to get it down. So again, y'all, this is my first time cutting a watermelon, but I've been seeing videos and hopefully I get it right. So, as I mentioned at the beginning, this will be a series of me becoming the woman I see myself in the future. And the reason why I'm doing this series is not only to help you guys or to hopefully inspire someone, but also to keep myself keep myself accountable and to be able to look back on the journey to get myself there. So I'm doing all types of things. I have a lot of things that I have notated and goals that I want to achieve, and knowing that it will help me become the person I see myself in the future. Let me go get a spoon. I'm going to use a regular spoon. Oh, it's coming out, you guys. Yes. Okay, so yeah. So basically, that's what I'm doing. I'm working on becoming her. And yeah, so just a few things to just go over on what I see myself as in the future. I know you guys, if you have not seen my video from last week of my solo date, then if you have seen my video last week of my solo date, then you will all know that I have cut my hair, have put aside wearing wigs, and really just becoming my natural self. Now, there is nothing wrong with wearing wigs or any protective styles, but I'm just really trying to work on loving the person who God has made me and just really getting into the natural beauty, I would say. So there's certain things I am like taking a break on, which is wearing wigs. Now, I'm not taking a break on getting my nails done or wearing makeup, even though I like to not wear as much makeup because I'm working on getting my skin to better or whatever. But yeah, one thing is like not wearing as many, not wearing wigs as I usually wear. I also got my hair locked. So I'm starting my lock process, my lock journey. And I would say it is definitely a journey and I'm loving it so far. I've had my starter locks in for about 2 weeks, 2 or maybe 3 weeks now. You guys, this watermelon is good. I'm about to eat it. I don't know about y'all. Mm. Ooh, this watermelon is juicy. Okay, we're gonna cut some more because I feel like it needs to be cut a little bit more. But it's so much juice in here. Oh yeah, this is gonna be just right when I blend it all together. It's gonna be so right. Oh, my kids gonna love this. But yeah, so that's one thing. And then the other thing I'm working on is finances, making sure my finances are in order. I'm really good with my finances. I'm not really big on like overspending, and I'm really big on budgeting, but I feel as though there is room for improvement. And I have a couple of things that I want to do in the near future that I need to save up for. So just improving in that. Also looks. So I I this year I just turned 30 this year in February. And I'm starting to notice, as for me, I don't like looking or dressing provocative because I've noticed in the past of me dressing that, and not me saying nothing wrong with flirting your body. It's just the fact that I'm preparing myself. I'm also preparing myself to become a wife, and I see myself as a wife. And the type of husband I want, I don't see him wanting a woman or a wife to dress very provocative. And then also, I have a daughter, and she's at that age. She looks up to me, and she loves when I get dressed, when I get all dolled up and dressed. And my daughter looks at me, and I just know like I need to get better at the way I dress, making sure it fits properly, making sure nothing's spilling out, nothing's just going crazy. So I am working on that. So as far as the way I want to dress, it's not too modest, but a little bit modest. Do I want to show some skin? Yeah, I want to show some arms or some legs, but not too much to where it brings that wrong type of man towards me. And again, this is what I see myself as in the future. Everybody don't see themselves like that, and it's okay. But this is who I see myself as, and yeah. So I'm working on getting my wardrobe together. Early this week, I do this thing every month before a new month. I do like a good cleanse. I organize. I just prepare for the new month or whatever. And so I really took away a lot of clothes that I found that was, y'all, look at this juice. Oh my gosh. So what I was saying, yeah, so I went and was cleaning up my room and organizing. And I was like, thinking about how I see myself dressing. And so I went in my closet and I cleaned out a lot of stuff, put a lot of stuff to the side because I just want to start working and getting better at, you know, making sure my looks is good. So I just basically just start putting some stuff away so I can give it away or donate it or even probably put it in the trash um, of the things that I no longer see myself wearing or dressing or looking. So that's what I've been doing, and I have been doing a lot of shopping. I've been doing some shopping on Shein, on a couple of other websites, and just looking at different summer items. Right now, I've just been shopping for the spring and summertime, but looking at a lot of summer items that I see myself wearing, that I see myself that's not too revealing, still classy. I can dress it up, I can dress it down. And so that will probably be a series I would do as far as the way I'm dressing and how I'm changing that. Another thing that I want to change is speech. the way I speak. So, as y'all know, I got a little, y'all probably have heard it in many videos, I got a little twang in my voice. So I am I am from the hood, baby. I'm born, raised in the projects, born in the hood. And yeah, I would not say, because I know people will probably say it, I would, which I don't care. Let me just put it out there. I don't care what people say. I'm not saying that I'm going to forget where I came from, because I'm never going to forget that. But I feel like where I came from and how I was raised and how I was brought up does not define me. So I don't see myself as that person. I don't see myself as that like hood chick. I don't see myself as that. So I'm going to do everything that I need to do to better myself. And I'm going to share, that's going to be a series where I will share the different apps I'm using and the programs I'm using and different things that I'm using to help me expand my vocabulary as well as work on my speech, because I can do some eels and some wolves and some a lot of things that does not belong in a sentence, or that's not how the sentence is supposed to be. So I know that takes time, because that's just what I was brought upon, but I know I'm going to get through it. So, yeah. So, we're going to work on that. We got some cucumbers chopped up. Let's go ahead and put these cucumbers right here. Then, what else are we going to do? Because I'm going to mix some fruits and some vegetables together, and we're going to just come up with some little recipe. I do not have recipes on hand. I did not do that part as far as Googling and getting that done. But it's okay, because y'all with me. We're going to do this, and we're going to get this. We're going to do it together. Cut up these carrots or whatever. Oh, I haven't had carrots in so long. I'm going to cut up the carrots and just put it. Oh, these carrots are strong, baby. So I'm going to cut up these carrots. Trying to come up in small pieces because I'm blending them. I'm going to cut these carrots as small as I can, because they are going to be, I am blending them. So I'm hoping they are able to blend properly. We're going to see it, y'all. We're going to know. We're going to see this together. I did not do no research as far. So first of all, before I get into more of what I'm becoming, I bought a juicer originally from Amazon. And the juicer was supposed to came this past a few days ago. Haven't came yet. And so, yeah, I just went to Walmart. I was going to go to Walmart and just get me a juicer. They didn't have no juicer at Walmart. So I just was like, okay, I'm going to save these pieces for my son, because he likes to replant the ends. So I'm going to save these for him, because he plants these in the backyard and in like pots and stuff. So I'm gonna save these parts because he gonna like this. And so yeah, it have not came yet, and so I just requested for a refund and just came to I just bought a blender, and hopefully the blender helps and blends this well. So got that, and yeah, because I wanted to do this past week so I can have it for you guys. So it's a Saturday, and I'm doing it today. I am doing it on a Saturday, so at least I can start somehow. As long as I'm starting, you know what I'm saying? And I know a lot of people want to start at a certain time. I just tell myself, give yourself grace. The good thing is I'm starting, and that's all that matters. So try to give myself grace sometimes when stuff don't go as planned, as my juicer not being here on time. But it's okay. I gave myself grace, and I just went out and bought what I needed to buy, and that's all. Also, with me working on becoming who I am, I'm learning how to give myself grace sometimes, because um sometimes I do things, or I want to do things, and I beat myself up about it because I can procrastinate at times. And that's one thing I want to work on, and I know I'm working on it, but I usually beat myself on it because I'm like, girl, you are procrastinating like heck. But I had to tell myself, look, this is a lot of rework, reprogramming I have to do. This is all come from childhood and things that I've done over the years, over and over. And this is something that I want to change for myself. So this is just work and things that I have to do to reprogram to get where I'm trying to go. So it's a lot of reprogramming in my mind, in my it's a lot of reprogramming in my head, in my mind, in my subconscious. But I know God got me. I know He got me, and I know that I am going to definitely look back at this process and say that, hey, it was well worth everything. It was well worth everything. And I also want, ladies, gentlemen, whoever is going through this process as well, to know that it's okay. Give yourself grace. We are definitely going to do things that is going to be agitated and want to know, like, why we keep doing this to ourselves. Just know the good thing is, that, like, okay, I'm doing this to myself. And just tell yourself, like, hey, look, get it together. Because I have to tell myself that sometimes, girl, get it together. Like, you ain't nobody holding you back but you. Even the fact of my YouTube channel and trying to grow it, and doing what I feel as though God has put me on this earth and purpose to do is to help others. I know God put me on this earth to do something. And now that I have found my passion and what I love and what I want to do, I need to go ahead and take those steps forward to do it, because it's like I'm just really just holding back. And yeah, I don't think I should be doing it. I don't feel like God is pleased to know, like, look, I gave you the blueprint. I'm in your dreams. I'm giving you signs. I'm letting you know what you need to do. And He's just like, girl, because I'm getting you together. I'm telling you what you need to do. And now it's like, what are you doing? So it's me now telling myself, look, stop playing. At the end of the day, God has blessed you with this vision. God has blessed you with these ideas. Do it. Do it. Do it. No, like, what else could happen? Do it. Record it. Say it. Put it out there, and let it be. So that's what I'm doing. Now we are cutting up these strawberries and getting these strawberries together. I know some people like to leave the leaves on there. Not me. Probably cut these apples too, but we're gonna get it there. We're gonna get it there. So let me finish cutting, and then we're gonna start juicing. So yeah, I'll be back, because this is gonna be a lot of cutting. I'll be back. Just give me a moment. Okay, y'all. So we're doing the voiceover. My mic went dead throughout this last ending of the video. Whew. So basically what happened was my son came down and he helped me cut up the rest of the fruit and vegetables. Shout out to my boy. And so now I just gather all the fruits and vegetables, put it in bowls, and I'm going to go ahead and start blending them. So this is the blender that I told you guys I bought from Walmart. The name of the blender is Power XL. It did really good. It did what it needed to do, but it was really hard because it was a lot of pulp in my juice, and I didn't want that much pulp in the juice. So it was kind of hard. But y'all, my sister came to the rescue because she had a juicer. And oh my God, y'all, this is what the juicer result was. Do y'all see these juices? The colors are so vibrant. It tastes amazing. Me and my kids taste test, and it tastes really, really good. I'm so ready for this journey, God. I'm so ready. If you guys want to watch more, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below on anything you would like to do to change and become her.